Hi. Today we're going to be talking about the true cost of those 10 free licenses in Salesforce. Those 10 free licenses are awesome. They are a game changer for a nonprofit like yours that wants the best features at the lowest price. They're amazing. But like they say, nothing in life is truly free. And it's no different with CRMs, and it's no different with Salesforce. Sure, you get access to the system for free for 10 people forever. But there's two costs that do go along with this system. Their time and their money. Let's talk about time for a second. When you set up a CRM, whether it's Salesforce or any other CRM system, there's going to be an investment of time on your side, in your team, to set it up, to do the brainstorming, to figure out what your data in real life looks like in a CRM, and then to take the time to actually set that up. Now, there's also money involved because your time is worth money. You pay yourself a salary, and that means that if you spend a bunch of time working on Salesforce, it's costing your nonprofit money. Now, for both of these, both time and money, you can change how much it costs by considering hiring a consultant. I, of course, think greater impact consulting is a great option, but I'm a little biased. But when you bring somebody else on, like us, to help you with your data modeling, for instance, it goes a lot faster because we've done this before. So we can save you a little time, but it costs you a little money to pay our invoice. In the long run, we think it's a good equation for you to hire a consultant to help with especially data modeling, probably implementation. You didn't get into the nonprofit space because you're a technology wizard, most likely. And so having us go in and do a lot of the nuts and bolts pieces of setting Salesforce up can save you a ton of time, which saves you money. And then there's the idea of ongoing administration and kind of help desk stuff. That's stuff that you may or may not want to hire somebody else for. So at the end of the day, yes, you do get Salesforce for free for 10 of your users. And no matter what system you're using, there's going to be an investment of time and an investment of money to get it set up working just the way you need it to. In the long run, this investment pays off and it saves you time and money for your entire team in the long run. So just think about that as you consider signing up for Salesforce or consider modifying your Salesforce. There is going to be a little bit of an investment. That's all for today. Keep doing good work, and I look forward to talking to you next time.